This demonstration we'll have a look at the default accepted domain configuration. We'll have a look at how to configure accepted domains and how to configure remote domains as well. So we use accepted and remote domains in Exchange 2010 to manage message routing. We use the accepted domains for inbound message routing and remote domains for outbound message routing. So first things first, what we'll do here is we'll just come into our organizational configuration, onto our hub transport server, and what we're going to do here is just have a look at the accepted domains. And what we can see here is we have a number of accepted domains already in place. So let's just have a look at contoso.com, for example, and contoso.com is an authoritative domain, so my Exchange server is responsible for email being delivered to this recipient organization. So what we're going to do is we're just going to create a new accepted domain, and what we're going to do here is we're going to call this one contoso.local. So this one's going to be set up for the DNS domain of contoso.local. And what we want to do with this is we want to set this up for an internal relay domain. So as we can see here, email is delivered to recipients in this Exchange organization or relayed to an email server outside. Use this setting if the domain is shared by this Exchange organization and another messaging system. So we'll now click New, and we'll then click Finish. Next thing we'll do is we'll have a look at the remote domains. So the remote domain at this point here, we can see that by default we have star. So this basically means everything. What we'll do is we'll just double click on this. And what we can see here is we've got a number of different options here for out of office message delivery. So we've got allow no out of office message delivery, allow external out of office messages only, allow out of office messages and legacy by using things like Outlook 2003 clients or 2003 mailboxes, or allow internal out of as well and legacy out of office messages. Because with Exchange 2010 we can have a different out of office message for internal and external. If we then have a look at the message format, we've got the various message format settings within here. We've then got the remote domain is used for a cloud-based organization. Mine isn't used for a cloud-based organization, so I'll just leave the defaults. At this point here, I'm fairly happy with the default. What we want to do is we want to create a new remote domain, and we want to use this for a company called datum.com. So we'll have that as the name. We'll also have that for the domain name as well. What we'll also do as well is we'll just go for all subdomains, and again we're not using any cloud-based utilities like Exchange hosted services, for example. So we'll just select New at this point and select Finish. So now what we've done is we've created an accepted domain of contoso.local, and we've specified a remote domain of datum.com. And that's the end of this very quick demonstration of creating remote and accepted domains. Thank you.